Welcome to Car Vibes, where today we take a deep dive into one of the most anticipated muscle car revivals of the decade, the all-new 2026 Plymouth HEMI Cuda. Yes, you heard that right, the legendary nameplate that defined pure American horsepower. In the golden age of muscle cars is making a thunderous return, and it's bringing back everything enthusiasts have been craving: raw power, aggressive styling, and that unmistakable Mopar attitude. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 HEMI Cuda, you instantly know this isn't just a retro tribute, it's a full-on rebirth. Plymouth's design team has taken the essence of the original 1970 to 1974 Cuda and reimagined it for the modern era, blending sharp muscular lines with aerodynamic finesse. The wide stance, bulging fenders, and iconic shaker hood scoop are all here, but now sculpted with precision in lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber accents. The front fascia boasts a modern LED lighting signature integrated into a blacked-out grille that harks back to the original's menacing face. Deep hood vents aren't just for show, they feed air directly into the monstrous HEMI engine underneath. From the side, the profile screams performance with a low-slung roofline, short rear deck, and 20-inch staggered wheels wrapped in ultra-grippy performance tires. Around back, the classic triple taillights have been reborn with LED technology, and the rear spoiler and diffuser combination hint that this Cuda isn't just about straight-line speed. It's a track-capable machine, asterisk. Under the hood lies the heart and soul of the new Cuda, a supercharged 6.4-liter HEMI V8 that produces a jaw-dropping 807 horsepower and 760 pounds-ft of torque in the base high-performance trim. Yes, this isn't just a nod to the past, it's Mopar flexing its engineering muscles for the modern era. For those who want the ultimate bragging rights, Plymouth offers the HEMI Redeye package, pushing output to an insane 950 horsepower. Thanks to upgraded internals, dual-stage supercharging, and race-tuned cooling, power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed performance automatic or an optional 6-speed manual for purists who want that classic hands-on driving feel. The engineers have incorporated a launch control system, electronic limited slip, differential, and adaptive performance suspension to ensure that all this power is actually usable on both the street and track. 0 to 60 miles per hour? Just 2.9 seconds in the Redeye model, making it one of the fastest muscle cars ever built. Asterisk, step inside the 2026 HEMI Cuda, and you'll immediately notice a perfect blend of retro charm and cutting-edge tech. The dashboard features a driver-focused cockpit with analog-style performance gauges, yet everything is supported by a fully customizable 12-inch digital cluster. A massive central infotainment screen with Mopar Connect software offers real-time performance data, drag strip timers, and track telemetry, alongside all the modern conveniences like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. Premium leather and Alcantara wrap the seats, steering wheel, and shifter, while optional carbon fiber trim and contrast stitching give the cabin an upscale yet aggressive vibe. The seats themselves are deeply bolstered to keep you firmly in place during hard cornering, but still comfortable enough for long-distance cruising. Even the audio system is pure muscle. It's a high-power 14-speaker Harman Kardon setup that can make your playlist roar almost as loudly as the exhaust. Asterisk, speaking of exhaust, the sound of the 2026 Cuda is nothing short of intoxicating. Plymouth has engineered an active exhaust system that can switch from a deep rumbling purr in quiet mode to a full-on thunderous roar in track mode. The shaker hood scoop doesn't just look menacing, it feeds cold air into the massive intake. And under full throttle, you can hear the supercharger whine harmonizing with the V8's growl. It's the kind of sound that turns heads 3 blocks away and makes your heart race, even if you're just cruising at 40 miles per hour. Plymouth even offers a special heritage sound mode that mimics the exhaust note of the original 1970 HEMI Cuda. For that nostalgic muscle car feel, asterisk, in terms of performance handling, the 2026 HEMI Cuda isn't just a straight-line dragster. Thanks to a new lightweight chassis, adaptive dampers, Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, and advanced traction management, it can carve corners with surprising agility. The steering is sharp and responsive with a variable ratio system that feels tight and direct at high speeds, yet easy to maneuver at low speeds. 3 driving modes: street, sport, and track alter. Throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering weight, and transmission mapping, so you can tailor the Cuda's personality to your mood. There's even a drag mode for maximum quarter mile. Performance, optimizing gear changes and suspension squat for blistering launches. Asterisk. The 2026 HEMI Cuda also brings a strong focus on safety and modern driver aids, without compromising the raw driving experience. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning, but these systems can be dialed back or switched off entirely for a pure, unfiltered driving session. Structural rigidity has been massively improved with high-strength steel reinforcements and strategic use of aluminum to keep weight low while ensuring crash safety. Plymouth claims this is the safest, most technologically advanced Cuda ever made. Asterisk, of course. No muscle car revival would be complete without a range of personalization options, and Plymouth has gone all out here. You can choose from classic high-impact colors like Plum Crazy Purple, Go Mango, Sublime Green, and Hemi Orange, as well as modern matte and metallic finishes. There are multiple stripe packages, shaker hood designs, and wheel styles to make your Cuda truly unique. For the hardcore performance junkies, the track pack adds lightweight forged wheels, semi-slick tires, a roll cage, and track-tuned suspension, making the car a weekend race warrior straight from the factory. Asterisk. The 2026 Plymouth HEMI Cuda isn't just another modern muscle car, it's a symbol of heritage reborn for a new era. It's a machine that respects its legendary past while embracing the technology and performance demands of today's enthusiasts. It's loud, it's proud, and it's unapologetically American, proving that there's still a place in this world for raw V8 power in an increasingly electric landscape. Whether you're an old-school Mopar fan who remembers the glory days or a younger enthusiast discovering the Cuda for the first time, this car delivers a driving experience that stirs the soul and ignites the senses. From the growl of its engine to the feel of its steering in your hands, it's a reminder that some legends never fade. They just come back stronger. Asterisk, if you thought the muscle car era was over, the 2026 HEMI Cuda is here to prove you wrong. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A statement that horsepower still matters, that style still counts, and that the spirit of American performance is alive and well. In an age of silent electric acceleration, the Cuda's roar is a battle cry, a call to every enthusiast who still believes in the power of fuel, fire, and freedom. And as we see it tear down the track and rumble through city streets, one thing becomes clear. The legend of the HEMI Cuda isn't just back, it's better than ever.